Are you in your 30s and worried about skin aging? Or fear not, for we've got you covered. Today we present 10 effective ways to prevent skin aging as you navigate this vibrant decade of your life. Number 1, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Your skin needs water to maintain its elasticity and glow. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Remember, a well-hydrated skin is a youthful skin. Second on the list, eat a balanced diet. Foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals do wonders for your skin. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your daily meals. Remember, you are what you eat. Coming in at 3, regular exercise. Get your heart pumping and your blood flowing. Regular physical activity promotes better circulation, which nourishes your skin cells and keeps them vital. At 4, wear sunscreen. Even on cloudy days, harmful UV rays can cause premature aging. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 and wear it every day. Number 5, embrace a good skincare routine. Cleanse, tone, and moisturize daily. Regular exfoliation is also essential to remove dead skin cells and stimulate new cell growth. 6th on our list, get plenty of sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. While you sleep, your skin is hard at work repairing damage and regenerating cells. Denying it this restorative time can lead to dullness and fine lines. Coming in at 7, limit alcohol and avoid smoking. Both habits can dehydrate your skin and rob it of essential nutrients, leading to premature aging. Number 8, manage stress. Chronic stress can accelerate skin aging by triggering oxidative stress. Find healthy ways to unwind and relax, be it through yoga, meditation, or reading a good book. Number 9, regular skin checkups. Regular visits to a dermatologist can help detect any skin issues early and keep your skin in its best health. And finally, number 10, love your skin. Embrace its unique quirks and characteristics. All skin ages, and there's beauty in every stage of life. So there you have it. 10 effective ways to keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant as you journey through your 30s. Remember, the key to beautiful skin lies not in chasing after youth, but in embracing a healthy lifestyle and nurturing your skin with the love and care it deserves.